What is up, everybody? Brandon Tyrell here with some more good news for the original Xbox fans out there. We have another, yes, a second version of the classic Duke controller. It's here, it is very green, so let's unbox it and see what's inside. Now this is exactly like the original black Duke controller that came on the market about 3 months ago. Back in April, we did an unboxing for that one, which is almost 3 months to the day, so happy to show you the new and improved green version of it. Form and function, it's exactly the same. It comes with a quick start guide, a thank you note that we'll get into in a minute, but here she is. I've already cut off the tape for you so we can take a look at it without having to get the X-Acto knife out. It comes in translucent green this time around. It has everything that you remember from the standard Duke. It's got the analog sticks that feel exactly the same. It's got that real wide grip if you got big hands or if you just want another hit of that sweet, sweet nostalgia. Black and white buttons are here that actually mirror the small bumpers that they've added to the controller now. But the coolest thing about this controller by far is the Xbox button in the center is now an LCD screen that plays the original Xbox startup animation. That splash screen when you first turned on your Xbox back in 2001. It plays right here in the center as soon as you plug it into an Xbox One family, like your Xbox One, your Xbox One S, your Xbox One X, or a Windows 10 PC. And the great thing is if you want to see it again, all you got to do is keep pressing it. Restarts every time. But included with the controller is a 9-foot USB cable. It's standard cable and it plugs right into the top there. This is not a wireless controller, this is a wired controller, but it does come with that 9-foot cable, so no worries there. The other new addition to the Duke and the green Duke is the 3.5mm jack here on the bottom, so you can plug your headset right in there. And of course, you've got the view and option buttons as well. And then of course, that quick start guide tells you how to get started, like all good quick start guides should. And this is really cool. It's a special thank you note to the team of the original Xbox and the team that helped bring the Duke controller back into the spotlight. So if you're like me and you remember playing some original Halo on this and want to fire up your Master Chief collection, this is an awesome get for you to add to your collection. It retails for $70. It's exclusively available at GameStop, so you can pre-order it right now, and it should have a ship date of around September 2nd, early September for that window. So if you like what you see, check it out. And for everything Xbox related and Duke related, you're already in the right place right here on IGN.